In 2015, the popularity of single-use coffee pods was skyrocketing. Convenient and easy to use, they quickly became a staple in many households. But with convenience came a hidden cost. Billions of these pods were ending up in landfills, contributing to a growing environmental crisis. Single-use coffee pods, when broken down, consist of approximately 85% organic material and 15% packaging. Unfortunately, most of this organic material ends up in landfills, where it decomposes and releases methane, a potent greenhouse gas. According to the latest ISO carbon reporting standards, landfills globally contribute significantly more to greenhouse gas emissions than the entire oil and gas industry. This environmental catastrophe underscores the urgent need to keep used single-use coffee pods out of landfills. Here's a surprising fact. If food waste were a country, it would be the third largest emitter of greenhouse gases, right behind the United States and China. When food waste ends up in landfills, it produces methane, a greenhouse gas far more potent than carbon dioxide. When we convert landfill methane emissions to their carbon dioxide equivalent, the total impact is actually larger than the entire global oil and gas industry. This is why reducing food waste is one of the most important and impactful actions we can take to combat climate change. Have you ever wondered how landfills manage all that waste? Each day, a layer of soil, called daily cover, is placed over the waste. This helps control odors and keeps trash from blowing around. But when the waste is buried under soil, it's deprived of oxygen, and as it breaks down anaerobically, or without oxygen, it produces methane gas. Methane is a powerful greenhouse gas, 87 times more potent than carbon dioxide over 20 years.
Consider the following experiment where 1.5 kilograms of food waste is placed into a jar and the air is removed to simulate anaerobic conditions. After just 1 week, the food waste has already started to decompose, creating methane gas. Methane is a potent greenhouse gas 87 times more potent than carbon dioxide over a 20-year period. There is enough methane gas generated after just 1 week to cook a meal, demonstrating the speed and potency of landfill methane generation.
Scientists have developed a simple way to measure the impact of waste in landfills using something called an emissions factor. This tells us how much greenhouse gas, like methane or carbon dioxide, is produced by different types of waste. By understanding these emissions factors, we can calculate the environmental cost of what we throw away and highlight the urgency to eliminate landfills altogether. The organic content in single-use coffee pods has the highest propensity for methane generation. Over the past decade, Eco-Growth Environmental has been at the forefront of developing sustainable alternatives to managing organic waste. Recognizing the environmental impact of landfills, Eco-Growth has pioneered innovative technology to convert organic waste into clean energy and other useful products. Eco-Growth Environmental has developed innovative logistical solutions to streamline the collection of organic waste. Our pilot program involves partnering with local bottle depots and community eco-centers for collection of spent coffee pods. This has proven to be an efficient and sustainable network for waste coffee pod collection. At our Calgary facility, Eco-Growth Environmental has developed an advanced process to efficiently separate the organics from the packaging. This innovative system ensures that spent coffee pods are diverted from landfills and completely upcycled into useful resources. Organics from the coffee pods are converted to high-calorific biomass pellets that are considered carbon neutral when used for thermal heating. The plastic and aluminum packaging is converted to dimensional lumber that is used to make fencing, park benches, and many other products. Eco-Growth Environmental is an internationally recognized leader in landfill avoidance technologies. Diverting organic waste from landfills creates employment in the low-carbon economy while driving significant environmental benefits. Join us today as we tackle climate change head-on.